Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we're able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, almost starts with today's morning show. Alright, so even Fabrizio Romano self can put our mouth for this Gyokeres matter. So you say Arsenal really like Viktor Gyokeres, and he can leave for around 70 million euros, which is about like 60-65 million pounds, which is quite decent and affordable. Because you see, say Arsenal really like Gyokeres, and he can now leave Sporting for a fee of around 70 million euros in the summer. Yes or no, Gunners? Many Gunners they say yes, we love it, yes, we love it. At the same time, Romano come post it. In fact, the first post be this. If I can do follow up down our post, because this one are like a confirmation of waiting David Einstein, who is my favorite journalist, and the Athletic. What they are saying is a breaking. Viktor Gyokeres now high on Arsenal list for the summer transfer window, reports the Athletic. But don't say that news 100. At the time say Einstein will play. Every time you say like this, someone like that, nobody they counter and you get. Since I don't know, he has never gotten a call wrong. That don't mean say maybe Gyokeres now Arsenal go sign a board for the fact say they don't put them ahead of any other striker targets who will define. 9 day for the top of our scale of preference, at least 9 day there. So all I know is say we will see, because this is the cheapest. So who won't follow us drag this Gyokeres? IS, maybe Manchester United, because of Ruben Amorim has a working relationship with Gyokeres. We will see how all these things go unfold at the end of the day. Even TNT Sports, they are not left out. They say this Gyokeres wey Arsenal wants, Baba don't bust net again. They don't score 2 more goals. We'll see. Another 2 goals and an assist for Viktor Gyokeres, who now has 49 goal contributions for Sporting Lisbon this season. And somebody will open their booker cavity and tell me that Arsenal should not sign this player, that he's not a good player, that he has not proven enough. Asivan. Well, look, I don't talk it in my mind because you don't go like that. Arsenal are reportedly interested in the Swede, who is believed to be available for 50 to 60 million pounds in the summer. Very like we'll just carry him. And if we sign Gyokeres, there is no way you tell me say Gyokeres not score at least 20 to 25 goals in the season. There is no way you won't tell me, because with the create chance. So that one is sure me he gets. And now you can't get one statistics I can't see about Elialand. You can't make me the look Gyokeres say if we sign this guy, it's going to be to Arsenal what Elialand is to Man City. Even though yesterday I think when Man City played the FA Cup, Kiwior they come qualify to the semi-finals. Alan he fall awkwardly. At the end of the day, they can't come out and they can't take bandage. I mean, crutches, dash and you get base and the flex. So the guy, let's say, don't get small injury, but more just to watch. But look at how scary Elialand statistics are. 2022-2023 season, 52 goals. When was the last time one Arsenal player scored like 30 goals? 2023-2024 season, 38 goals. This season, what we do like this now, 30 goals. I make a bust your brain. This 30 goals of Elialand this season is seen as a not so good season. I don't know that I understand the picture. Alan scored 30 goals, yet according to his own standard, that 30 goals is a flop. But if an Arsenal player scored that 30 goals, that 30 goals will be like the epitome of the highest level of performance. They will praise you, give you award, best player of the season. But where Salah dey, all this na just Amerigimon, like it don't mean anything. Like I don't know that you get that picture. So the thing is, we need a player like, was it not yesterday I was explaining little margins where people they think they win it. When you have a player scoring 50 something goal, 30 something goal, why you not go win something? There is no way. You know go see one guy at least. When you score 50 something, other people like Jeremy Doku and Savio, they go see contribute their little portfolio there. Even if na 10 goals, them contribute. But it is still something. That Gyokeres or that Isaac, any of the two, anyone where they give us Baba. You don't say it. Yeah, so more just the things they go share. Now, away from that. So, if they get confirmation from Arsenal, say for the preseason, after the season not end, say Arsenal go face Tottenham Hotspur for Hong Kong on Thursday, July 31st, as part of preparation for the 2025-2026 season. So now they know our rivals have been, and so the match was sweet. The match will be played in the recently opened 50,000 capacity CHUKS Stadium and will kick off at 7:30 p.m. local time, 11:30 a.m. UK time. So that one said they will use and boost our morale, and maybe all the players who we need to sign will not actually join us. So that one they good. Now, come get another story when not really related to Arsenal, but it is like I'm surprised with the report. Do you know that Marcel boss Roberto De Zerbi, because in team lose to Reims, he can't punish them by locking them in the training ground overnight? The news don't catch fire. Social media, like people say, why? They be baby. Now they were the first people to lose. What lesson are you trying to teach them? Say when they lose match, you go lock them for training ground. Now fasting as in night vigil overnight, which means they couldn't go home. They were there. It doesn't tell good of him. And people on the bash Roberto De Zerbi for the comment section for social media. Well, I don't know how many of you don't see this story because it's you get as a baby for ear, you get. Well, away from that, so many Arsenal fans Congo they dig up videos of Andrea Berta where you slap one Man City doctor. You get, so they come to say, Arsenal don't sign fighter or say Kusere Moscow. This one they play. I said this one will be you guys will just they cool. This one and that banner. This one they para. If you don't set him up for something, they get that. So the son carried the report. They say, seeing red. Finally, we have a fighter. Arsenal fans find video of this sporting director Andrea Berta slapping Man City doctor. I watched the video, man. I slapped to be here. What kind? They say Arsenal, the sporting director, has plenty of feisty battle experience against Man City, which means as in they enter the EPL like this now, automatic rivalry with Man City. You get. So they say as Andrea Berta was entangled in a pitch-side scuffle with Man City doctor Max Salah after an ill-tempered Champions League quarter-final tie in 2022, where Manchester City come out Atletico Madrid, and now when Felipe he give Foden one kind tackle, they can't give a red card. So after the match, some kind of scuffles here and there. You know, so when give the man bad, the man turn face. Get. So let's read the next slide to get the crux of the story. And Berta used to get into the thick of the drama. In April 2022, he was involved in a fracas which ensued after Atletico were knocked out of the Champions League by Pep Guardiola's side. Arsenal fans have entered the video of the new director pushing a City club director in the face. Atletico defender Felipe had been sent off for a wide swipe at Phil Foden deep into added time before tensions boiled over in the final whistle. So as the tension now, the guy, what is the word you not give an Bolaka? Yes, so many Arsenal fans on the happy, but I bet go they support violence for you. We just calm down. This one don't be that legal. We just take a visit for the EPL. Now, they say Xabi Alonso, in they hope to repeat what he do for Arsenal with signing Granit Xhaka. Say now the person that they target now be Arsenal's forgotten man, Jacob Kiwior, who has only played 9 times this season. He could not break into the first 11 because we don't really get that much injury for the left back because the emergence of Masud Skelly, he don't make the guy loses space to come in again like that. So they say Jacob Kiwior could be headed to the Bundesliga outfit by Leverkusen, because by Leverkusen, many of the players they come out at the end of this season. From Jonathan Tah to Frimpong, like them plenty, where they come out this season. So I don't just know how it will be. So they try to see how they go. Even the coach himself, we never know. If Ancelotti leaves Real Madrid, Xabi Alonso might still leave. So we never really know what is up there. But then they look for recruitment, and Jacob Kiwior is one of the names we are hearing that might move over to here, because they said the guy never really played there, because Kiwior's time at Arsenal had been somewhat limited after we bought him for 20 million from Spezia in January 2023. Despite showing promise, he has struggled to break into the starting lineup, making only 9 appearances across all competitions this season. So it happen like that sometimes. All right, another thing will happen today. Now the press conferences. So many managers are going to be holding their press conference. Don't forget, tomorrow Arsenal have a game, Arsenal versus Fulham. So today we will hear from Mikel Arteta, making give us injury news, team news. Bukayo Saka, he said don't come back to training. How fit is he? Even though the physio department, the medical department don't certify and fit, but we need to hear from the horse's mouth, the manager's mouth, Mikel Arteta. How fit is Saka to play in this Fulham game? China Waneri go start. Saka go come the second one. I want to do one. How fit is Ben White to play this game? Julian Timber will see quick on recover. How fit is he to involve in this game? Because person wey don sick that kind of sickness, baba, you get some kind of lost fluid, so you need to recover and recuperate. So these are some of the things I will be keenly interested in knowing. Do we have any injury issues apart from the likes of Kai Havertz, Gabriel Jesus, Tomiyasu, all those people say they don't dey out, do we have anything we should be worried about? So now what we will find out today, so that we will know say tomorrow, if I just see Saka, just come in, just step into the field. Everywhere go scatter. Well, my dear Arsenal, I'll bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile World Associates and Co. Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80 6464 2234, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Orea Z, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, But Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, do reach out to them. All right, so the biggest things of the day, that be the fact that Fabrizio Romano called to let us know, say Arsenal really like Viktor Gyokeres, and the guy will live for around 70 million euros, which is about maybe 50 to 60 million pounds. Yeah, so now something we say it is very much affordable. And from what we hear from David Ornstein yesterday, our new sporting director Andrea Berta is setting aside some Viktor Gyokeres, saying this is the guy I want to lead this Arsenal. All right, guys, so I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So till I come your way in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Not them out. All right, guys. Ciao.